So you train hard, you lift, you stretch, you sweat, but you're stuck. Same strength, same mobility, same results. You're doing the work, so why isn't it working? If you feel like you're pushing but you're going nowhere, you're likely missing one crucial piece: progressive overload. It's not flashy, but it is the line between spinning your wheels and real lasting gains. Here's how it works. Progressive overload means doing a little more each week. More reps, more weight, more range. So if you can bench press 100 pounds for 3 sets of 8 reps this week, next week try 9 reps. Next week, 10 reps. The week after, bump the weight up by say 2 to 3%, drop back to 8 reps, and then cycle again. These tiny little changes repeated consistently, they stack into serious strength. And most people train hard, but not smart. They repeat the same sessions, but not the same conditions. So one week they lift fast, the next they pause a little bit between reps. Sometimes they rest 30 seconds, sometimes 2 minutes. The weight, tempo, range, rest, it all shifts. So they don't actually know if they're improving. For progressive overload to work, every rep must be performed with the same loading variables. So same tempo, same range, same rest, same weight. And only when those are consistent can you track progress and control it. But most people usually just lift as much as they can in every session. So sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. There's no system, no method, just guesswork. Inside the UMS app, we remove the guesswork. Every rep, set, and weight is tracked. Progress becomes predictable and within your control. And this applies to mobility. You go deeper, you hold longer, add load. Because if you're stretching without progression, it's just temporary looseness. If you want lasting flexibility, overload it intelligently. Every UMS workout builds on the last, so you're never guessing, you're never stuck, you're never stalling. It's just clear structure, expert coaching, and smart progressions week after week. This is how we rebuild bodies after injury too. So Ali, one of our tribe members who lives in Pakistan, he came to us with a torn rotator cuff. He couldn't lift his arm past shoulder height. 5 months later, he's doing behind the head shoulder presses and pull-ups with incredible strength and rock solid technique, pain-free. All from starting where he was and loading up step by step with progressive overload. This is what makes UMS different. No random workouts, just a system built on load management, progressive overload, and periodization. And speaking of periodization, how do we plan long-term gains and not just quick wins? That's what we'll break down in the next video.